Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Trigger. And today we are going to show you the unboxing of the all new 2021 third gen Hayabusa.
In Aerolex Suzuki Bangalore, and that is black color. So let's start this video.
Show me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, and enough. It's like being a doctor to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. If you keep it beside along my heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Me and myself ain't enough. It's like being alone in a crashing car. I need you to know how bad it hurts. Hearing the sound of my broken heart. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Are you dreaming of me now? The way I do.
So time to end this video. We hope that you liked our video.
So make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe our channel, The Car Trigger.
Yes. And please help us reaching 10,000 subscriber. It's raining.
So we will upload the new video on the review of the new RC from KTM.
Yes. And now we are going to take the video of the new RC version of KTM and the new RC series.
That will be uploaded very soon. So make sure to check that video out, and we will send you that iCat button on the top. Okay?
Yes.
So now we will go our home. See, rain is coming. How we will go? We have scooty and we don't have even raincoat also.
And
so God bless us.
And wait, outro, wait.